Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error on your MacBook when you try to turn it on and you see folder and empty folder. So how you can fix it, how you can start your system, and how you can fix this error. So for fixing it, you just need to click on power button on your MacBook and just click on option and just wait some time. So if everything okay, you will see your hard disk. So just click here and try to open your system from this option. If it doesn't help you, turn off your computer. Just click again power button, choose option, and here second variant you will see recovery. So just choose it. And now you need to wait some time after it will load recovery tools on your computer, and it will automatically help you to recover your system. So let's wait some time. So after it will load, I hope that it will fix your system. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.